Hello everyone, it's Sid from Hello Japan Tours. We're going to start uploading videos as part of our Crash Course Japan series to help you on your next visit here. Today for episode 1, we're going to show you the top 5 things to get from a Combini. A Combini is a convenience store, and there are many different types of convenience stores in Japan, but the 3 main ones are Family Mart, Lawson, and 7-Eleven. Today I went to my local 7-Eleven and I'll show you guys my top 5 personal things in no particular order that I like getting from a Combini and I think that you should get when you come and visit Japan. Okay, so the very first items that I want to show you guys are the drinks that you can get from a Combini. The very first item, technically 2 items, but I'm going to make them into one. One for adults and one for children. This one is called the Horoyoi. It is an alcoholic drink, only 3%, and it's basically a sweet cocktail drink with very low traces of shochu in it. It's delicious, and today I got the plum sake flavored drink. Very delicious. So I'm gonna open it up, take a drink. So kanpai. That hits the spot. Okay, now the second drink that I want to show you guys is called, or it's not called, but it's a flavored water. And this one is a yogurt flavored water. It looks like regular water, so beware if you're trying to buy just water, make sure you get regular water, not the flavored ones. It's really good if you want to have something sweet, but that's not carbonated, so it's actually not too sweet, but you can definitely taste the yogurt in it, so it's something that you should give it a try while you're here. They also have different other flavors as well, so make sure to look out for the fruit flavored ones. Alright, now the next thing I want to show you is a cup noodle. I know you guys might have cup noodles overseas as well, but you should definitely take a look at the cup noodles that they have at the convenience store. I got the miso flavored cup noodle. They only have this in Japan, and they have loads of other ones, other flavors in the convenience store, so you should definitely see what kind of cup noodles they have. But I'm gonna make it real quick, and I'll take a bite. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes and it smells amazing. So when you eat noodles in Japan, it's good to slurp. It's not considered polite, but I know in foreign countries you're not supposed to really make noises when you eat, but in Japan you're allowed to slurp while you eat noodles. So yeah, here's the miso cup noodle. And it tastes unreal. I think you should definitely try to get the miso cup noodles while you're here. Alright, next up is an onigiri. An onigiri is basically a rice ball. Today I got the shrimp and tuna mayonnaise rice ball. They also have vegan friendly ones such as seaweed or sour plum, but I personally like eating seafood, so I got a shrimp and tuna. Now there's a certain way to open this. You have to follow the directions and peel from number 1, then number 2, and then number 3. So I'm peeling in the direction number 1, number 2, for a very nice looking rice ball. Now this is a good thing to get if you're on the move or you want a quick snack or you just want to have a quick lunch. And it's really convenient. That's what the inside looks like. Please only get a rice ball when you're here, or an onigiri if you want to ask them where to find one. Alright, next up is their hot food selection. Typically you'll find like french fries and hot dogs, you know, typical American convenience store hot foods. But the one I recommend is getting their fried chicken. Now 7-Eleven has a skewered fried chicken one. And other ones, they have different variations of it, but definitely try the fried chicken. It's really crunchy, but also so it's soft and tender at the same time. And it's really warm, so it makes it a plus. In Japanese, you would call this a karaage. which is fried chicken. You can also find these in izakayas, which is drinking establishments. They also have karaage specialty stores, so don't just limit yourself to getting these fried chickens in convenience stores. However, I do recommend it just because it's something really cheap and tastes really good. Okay, and last but not least is the convenience store's desserts and sweets. If you are a sweet tooth, I highly recommend that you stop by and check out what kind of sweets they have. My personal favorite is the pancake sandwich that they have at 7-Eleven. These pancake sandwiches, maple syrup and butter sandwiched between two different pancakes. So you see the pancake right here. And then in between you have some butter and syrup. I can probably eat this all day long. It tastes really good. Now on the inside you can see the maple syrup. And it comes in two. You can easily finish a bag by yourself, but if you're sharing with someone else, you can split it and give it to each other. In Japan, pancakes usually aren't breakfast items. They're usually eaten as like a dessert, or in this case, sweets. So if you're looking for a midday snack as you're traveling, please try to stop by a 7-Eleven and get one of these pancake sandwiches. Alright, so that was my top 5 things that I like get at a Combini. So the next time you are in Japan, I hope you are able to try these too. And we'll be uploading more videos in the future, so please check them out. And I will see you in our next episode where we will be going to Don Quixote, and I'll show you the top 5 things that you can get there.